Hello, Evelyn here. Today I want to show you how to use the naturally aged paint system, bare metal. This one is the white rusty metal one, and this is what you get. You will get high impact paint in white. Then you will get baseboard mist in clay, glimmer mist in sugar marble, and glimmer mist stone. Inside the package is an introduction. There are all the steps you have to go through, and I walk you through these steps. First I will show you on the paper. I use mixed media paper, and the first thing you have to do is to cover the whole surface with high impact paint in white. Make sure that some parts of the paper the paint will pool, then you can create beautiful bubbles for a more natural look. Here you can see the bubbling paint. The second step is to go randomly over some parts of your paper around the created bubbles with the baseboard mist in clay. Then again you have to dry this with your heating tool. For more depth you can even repeat this step. The baseboard mist will get darker, nearly black, and it's really beautiful and natural. The third step is to surround your baseboard mist with glimmer mist sugar marble. It has a really nice metallic shimmer. I like to go over it with some water to tone it a little bit down. Then again dry everything with your heating tool. You can repeat this step 2 if you want more depth. The next step is to go over the whole surface with your glimmer mist stone. It will create a real grungy, little bit dirty surface. Then again grab your heating tool and make everything dry. Now I want to show you some more possibilities of using the paint system. Here I wanted to imitate a metal plate with peeling off white paint. For this I switched the steps and gave a generous coat of the baseboard mist on top of watercolor paper. Then instead of the white paint I used some crackle paste in white and left it to dry. As you can see, you can peel off some of paint for a more natural look, and then go on adding the next steps with the glimmer mist in sugar marble, and at last the stone glimmer mist on top. Now dry it with your heating tool, and as the last step you have to seal your surface with varnish, matte one or glossy one, it's your choice. Now I want to show you some more I tried out on modeling clay, here you can see, and I tried it on grunge board, but you also can use chipboard. It works very good. Here I added some teal spots with Glimmer Mist, Rolling Tide and Dragonfly. Next I want to show you how you can imitate an enameled house number plate. For this I used the MDF plate and applied modeling paste instead of the white paint. Now smooth your surface with wet fingers and then walk through all the steps like before. For the house numbers I used some grunge board numbers. I painted them black and glued down with matte medium. For my plate I didn't use Glimmer Mist Stone because I wanted to keep it white. To create the enameled look I used some glossy varnish on top for the shine. Well, this was my little tutorial for you today. I hope I could inspire you a little bit and you want to use this gorgeous paint system too. So thank you for watching and bye bye.